Hi, Jason here. Manufacturers here need to be, and many already are, obsessed about cash flow, to improve profits, to build competitive advantage. In the Manufacturship Foundations course coming up this year in May, this is what we help you do. Over 3 days, we help you develop a unique and customised plan for your business to improve cash flow, profits, and then competitive advantage. That's the way manufacturing in Australia is going to survive, and not just survive, but actually thrive. Now, this course is for people who do actually want to do the work and don't want to take 3 years to get a result. This is about people who are willing to go back and change things, small things, very subtle things, but key things to drive that cash flow improvement in your business and the improved customer service that turns into competitive advantage. Click on the link, put your name in there, you can download the brochure, we'll give you a call, or I'll give you a call, to see if this course is the right thing for you. This course isn't for everyone. This course is really for people who can make decisions and make changes back in their workplace to implement that customised plan. It's also not for people who believe that everyone must have a certificate in competitive manufacturing or whatever, and that's the key to improvement. Improvements are about management, performance and behaviours and systems that lead all our employees further forward. It's also not for people who've got to put their hand up for a government handout. We're about helping good businesses become even better and build that competitive advantage. So, click the link, pop your name in there, and I look forward to talking to you soon.